Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com and today I'm sharing my October monthly wrap-up. Now this is slightly different than my How to Kill a Kit with Style Kill a Kit video where I share my layouts. Although I didn't make any layouts that weren't with my kit, I'm still going to share my layouts with you guys and then all the other stuff that I made this month, which you can kind of see out here. So I'm just going to get through these layouts pretty quickly. I'll have all the process videos linked down below if there is one. I'm just noticing how far this sticks up. That probably needs to be stuck back down. I made this double page layout for the Spiegel Mom Scraps channel. Kind of doesn't fit all the way in frame, but this is about adopting our cats. Really cute layout. This was a Patreon exclusive layout, so if you guys didn't know, I have a Patreon where you can sign up for different subscription levels and get different content from me. This is one of the exclusive videos they got this past month in October, and it was just a layout process video for this in real time, so I never did one here on this channel for this layout, but I love how this layout came out. Another DC layout, which is what I actually planned on working on during my month with this kit, was my DC pages, and that's what I did. This page also DC. My patrons got a real-time process video of this, while everyone on YouTube just got the normal process video, the sped up version. But again, the same sort of style. It's made with the same paper pad as well as this one. This one was for the lovely ladies who invited me to do their Multi-Photo Monday series, so I did a double page layout. And I'm so happy that I finally used these two LE Studio cards. I've been dying to use them and I've had them for so long. Again, all the process videos will be linked down below. So here's behind the scenes. I still have not put the eye dot on there. Still legible, but this was for Spiegel Mom Scraps as well. So if you guys didn't know, I post a lot of videos over on their channel every month. So definitely subscribe if you haven't already. Next up, I have my 6x8 album. This is the Vermont album that I started working on. I didn't plan on working on this album, but I ended up doing so. And I have the process videos for these up on my channel as well. And I also did ask you guys if you wanted to see the How to Kill a Kit with Style process videos within the month of the kit that they're in. And you said yes for the most part on Instagram. So what I'm going to try to do is either not film as many process videos because they all won't fit in a month, or start my kit a little bit early, so that way I have How to Kill the Kit with Style process videos like on the 2nd and 3rd of the month, or however it plays out. And then by the end of the month, I'll stop probably a couple days before the end of the month with that kit and start my another kit, just so we can have it offset for the filming. That way they can be uploaded and scheduled in the correct month. But let me know your thoughts on that. Now what you're staring at is a giant pile of cards for the Spiegel Mom's, or it's called Sparkly Inks card drive, which is a Spiegel Mom Scraps and Ink Road collaboration to do a card drive. So I have a crap ton of cards that I've created. Like, this is a lot. I haven't counted them, but these are all the ones I made in October. I do have a couple other ones I'm donating that I've made previously that have just been sitting in my stash that I thought were appropriate to donate. So a lot of these don't have process videos, but I'll just share them anyway. If there's ever a card you want to see a process video for, please just let me know which one. I'm just going to kind of flip through these while I keep talking about it. So if you're watching this, the card drive I believe is already over. So you can't donate cards at the moment to the Sparkly Inks card drive, but there are other card drives going on all the time. So definitely look in your area. I know that some of my local nursing homes and hospitals accept cards, so definitely be on the lookout for those so you guys can keep doing what you're doing and sharing handmade kindness if you're interested. These are some of my favorite ones. And this one does have a video. I did a video on these two, sharing how I did the coloring with my, I think it's my Arteza brush pens. This one, this is just a great way to use up little bits. Like, I've had this turtle with the googly eye forever, and I put him on a card and he looks great. And it'll make somebody else happy. As same with this chipboard, Go Forth and Be Fabulous. So let's see, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 right there. This is the Ink Road stamp right there. Absolutely beautiful. I added some stickles onto that. And if you couldn't tell, a lot of these have sequins because I was using up my Spiegel Mom Scrap sequin stash. This one's one of my favorites as well, just using these tags that I had. Little happy birthday. This was using one of the new stamps that I have. Love this mushroom stamp. I used a bunch of these little stickers, which I talked about in my October favorites. Again, one of these stickers. I love this color scheme, the teal and the coral. Beautiful. And then there's some that are folded the other way so they don't tuck into their envelopes very well. I don't even know if I can get it out. There we go. So it's just like a woodland background with some wood veneer birds. I really love this one. Used that new stencil that I got from Canada a while back. I'm going to fix that one after. This one's also one of my favorites. I love this color scheme. Pink and the green is beautiful. Used up a sticker sheet that I showed you guys in my monthly favorites as well. I used up this sticker sheet, which I think I showed that card in there as well. Used up a lot of bright colors. This was the first card that I did for this card drive, which was using a card sketch from Spiegel Mom Scraps that they posted from various sources. This is the same card sketch, so you can kind of see how it worked out differently. Like a masculine and then a feminine version. A little pumpkin card. And then some more birthdays. How cute is this one? I just used up those chipboard glasses that had been sitting around forever. Happy holidays. Again, I won't use these on a lot of things like the season's greetings. I don't think I'll ever send a card that way. This one's actually a shaker. And that was another sketch that we did. This is the same one but a different theme, so you can kind of see behind the glassine bag here's a little shaker. It says you were possum, and this was a new paper pad that I got to use. Another birthday card, and another Christmassy holiday card. So I just didn't count those again. I know there's over 25 cards. I'm hoping I reached over 30. Let's see, I guess we could just count them, just so you guys can see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, right there. 20, 21, 22, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So there's 38 that I made this month, or I should say October. So I made 38 cards in October, unless there's other ones lying around here, and then I made 2 double page layouts, 3 single page layouts, and then 2 6x8 layouts. So that's a lot. I'm very, very happy with what I got accomplished. I like card making a lot because it's a lot faster for me to make cards. Let me know if you guys want to see more card making videos. I usually ask you that and then you say yes, but they also don't do nearly as well as my scrapbooking videos, so there must be a smaller population of you that like card making videos. But if there's a card you saw today that you want to see more about, like how I picked out all these patterns and layering, again, this was a sketch, so it's like I had something to work off of, but maybe I should start filming more cards because apparently you guys like it. So let me know again in the comments down below what you think about card making, and if you do it or if you'd like to learn more how to do it. You might also know that I did my collab with Sarah's Scraps this month, which is card making for scrapbookers, which is this card that we shared. We used letter stickers to create our sentiments. So definitely check that out down below. Again, this is probably my favorite card of the month. I have 2 of these that are pretty similar. Maybe we'll do a coloring video of this, just so I can have some card making video in upcoming November, but we shall see. But I hope you guys enjoyed this monthly wrap-up. I know you guys like the monthly wrap-ups in addition to just the Kill a Kit videos, because sometimes I do work outside my kits. It really just depends on my design team requirements and what I have on my plate, but this time I did work outside my kit to make all these beautiful cards. But again, let me know which one's your favorite, or if you want to see one of them more up close or something. But thank you guys again so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up because it helps me a lot, and be sure to subscribe if you're not already so you don't miss out on more videos like these. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!